Next, the second subdivision, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Let me name these equations as number 1 and 2. Then solution, see both the equations are having the form 1 by root x, 1 by root y. So we are going to assume, let 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. On assuming so, the equation 1 will become 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y is equal to 2. Now assume 1 by root x to be a, so it is 2a, plus 1 by root y to be b, so it is 3b is equal to 2. Mark this equation as number 3. Now go for the second equation. Equation 2 becomes 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y is equal to minus 1, that is 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Mark this equation as number 4. Now we are going to solve these two equations by elimination method. So I am going to multiply the equation 3 by 2. So equation 3 into 2 gives 2 into 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 into 2. We are going to multiply equation 3 by 2 on both the sides. If I do it so, the coefficients of a will become same in equation 3 and 4. Okay, for that I am going to multiply equation 3 with 2. Now simplify, 2 into 2a is 4a, then 2 into 3b is plus 6b, 2 into 2 is 4. Mark this equation as number 5. Now I am going to subtract the equation 4 from 5. Subtracting 4 from 5. So first write the fifth equation, 4a plus 6b is equal to 4. Then write the fourth equation, 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. If I subtract these two equations, the signs of the second equation will be altered. So it is minus 4a, it is plus 9b, it is plus 1. Now 4a minus 4a, it will be cancelled. 6b plus 9b, which gives plus 15b. Then 4 plus 1, which gives 5. So 15b is equal to 5, b is equal to 5 by 15. When I cancel, 5 3s are 15, so it is 1 by 3. The value of b is 1 by 3. Now substituting, b is equal to 1 by 3 in third equation. So it will become 2a plus 3 into b value is 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Can cancel this 3 and this 3. So it becomes 2a is equal to 2. When I take this 1 to right side, it becomes minus 1. So which gives 2a is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. Thus the value of a is 1 by 2. We are getting the value of b to be 1 by 3 and the value of a to be 1 by 2. Now we are going to substitute these two values in these two assumptions for getting the value of x and y. We have assumed 1 by root x is equal to a. So which becomes 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiply, 1 into 2 is 2, then root x into 1 is equal to root x. So root x is equal to 2, we are going to find the value of x. For that I am going to square on both sides, squaring on both sides. So 2 into 2 is equal to root x square. So root x square is equal to 2 into 2 gives 4. This root and square can be cancelled. So x is equal to 4. Now we have assumed 1 by root y is equal to b. 1 by root y is equal to b value 1 by 3. Then the same steps, 1 into 3 gives 3, root y into 1 gives root y. Now squaring on both sides, we will be getting y is equal to 3 square, that is 9. Thus we have obtained the solution. The solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Clear? Next, the third subdivision, 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 14, 3 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. Let name the equations as 1 and 2. Now see these equations, it is having only the form 1 by x. So y is given directly, only x is present in the denominator. So I have to reduce the equation by assuming 1 by x is equal to a. So let us substitute 1 by x is equal to a in 1 and 2. So equation 1 becomes 4 into 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. So it becomes 4a plus 3y is equal to 14. Mark this equation as number 3. Now on substituting 1 by x is equal to a in equation 2, it will become, first write it as 3 into 1 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. Now 3 1 by x is a minus 4y is equal to 23. Mark this equation as number 4. Now we are having equations 3 and 4 to solve. I am going to multiply equation 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 4, and I am going to solve using elimination method. So by elimination method, first multiply the equation 3 by 3 on both sides. So it will become 3 into 4a plus 3y is equal to 3 into 14, which gives 12a plus 9y is equal to 3 4s are 42. Sorry, 3 14s are 42. Let this equation be 5. Then multiplying equation 4 by 4 on both sides. 4 into 3a minus 4y is equal to 4 into 23, which gives 12a minus 16y is equal to 4 23s are 92. Mark this equation as number 6. Now I am going to subtract the equation 6 from 5. Subtracting equation number 6 from equation number 5. So first write the fifth equation, 12a plus 9y is equal to 42. Then write the second equation, 12a minus 16y is equal to 92. On subtracting these two equations, the signs of the second equation will be altered. So plus a turns to minus 12a, then minus 16y turns to plus 16y, plus 92 turns to minus 92. So 12a minus 12a, it will be cancelled. 9y plus 16y gives 25y is equal to 42 minus 92 gives minus 50. So we are getting 25y is equal to minus 50. Then y is equal to minus 50 divided by 25, which gives minus 2 by 1. So value of y is minus 2. Now substituting y is equal to minus 2 in equation number 3. So it will become 4a plus 3y, that is 3 into minus 2 is equal to 14. 4a plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 is equal to 14. 4a is equal to 14 plus 6. So 4a is equal to 20, which gives the value of a to be 20 by 4. So a is equal to 5. Now we have got the value of a to be 5. From this value we are going to find the value of x. So 1 by x is represented as a. 1 by x is equal to a. So which means 1 by x is equal to 5. On cross multiplying, 5x is equal to 1, then which gives the value of x to be 1 by 5. Okay, so the solution is x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Clear?